Hey guys, I might take last one or two problem on solving on step response of a LTI system. This time impulse response h of t is e power minus mod t. So solution, this e power minus mod t sequence looks something like this. For negative side of t it is exponentially increasing signal. For positive side of t it is exponentially decreasing signal. Okay, 0, this is t, this is e power minus mod t. Right? So I repeat again, for negative side of t it is exponentially increasing signal, for positive side of t it is exponentially decreasing signal. This is how e power minus mod t signal is defined. Okay, so now I want h of tau, right? Let me plot it again. So our h of tau is something like this. This is 0, this is tau. So this sequence is e power plus tau and this signal is e power minus tau. Fine. So we have again two region here. One region is for t less than 0, the other region is for t greater than 0. Okay, now the running integral for t less than 0 is from where? From minus infinity till just before 0, right? Depending upon where I keep this t value. Okay, for second region t greater than 0, what is the running integral? It is nothing but what? This from t varying from minus infinity, sorry, for tau varying from minus infinity till 0 plus for tau varying from 0 to where I keep this t value. Fine. Okay, so for t less than 0, what do we have? This is t. For t less than 0 it is exponentially increasing signal, right? This is tau, this is h of tau. So this is the slider we have. Fine. So what is s of t? S of t is nothing but integrating from minus infinity to t h of tau t tau. So s of t is equal to integrating from the signal start from minus infinity and ends at where? Depending upon where I keep this t value, right? So t, and what is h of tau? It is nothing but exponentially increasing signal e power tau d tau. Okay, so s of t is equal to, what is the integration of e power tau with respect to tau? It is nothing but e power tau itself with the limit minus infinity to t. This is equal to e power t upper limit minus e power minus infinity. So this is 0, e power minus infinity is 0, therefore it is e power t. Fine. So for t less than 0, the step response is e power t. Fine. Now for t greater than 0, so for t greater than 0, what do we have? We have both less than 0 as well as greater than 0, right? So this is e power tau, this is e power minus tau, this is tau, this is h of tau. So for t greater than 0, we have this running sum plus this depending upon where I keep this t value. Fine. So h of t is equal to integrating from minus infinity to 0. What is the signal? It is what is h of tau? It is e power tau, right? So e power tau d tau plus, so integrating from 0 to where I keep this t, which is t here, and what is the signal? E power minus tau t tau. Fine. So for this, for t greater than 0, I have to consider this plus wherever I keep this t value starting from 0. Why am I doing this? Because it's a running integral. Wherever this t is there, I have to consider or I have to integrate it from minus infinity till the value of t. Okay. So what is this integration? H of t is equal to, what is the integration of e power tau? It is e power tau with the limit minus infinity to 0 plus, what is the integration of e power minus tau? E power minus tau divided by minus 1 with the integration limit 0 to t. Right? So h of t is equal to e power upper limit is 0 minus e power lower limit is minus infinity. This is 0 and this is 1, right? Plus, I'll take minus 1 out. What is upper limit? E power minus t minus, what is the lower limit? E power 0, right? What is this? 1. correct now? So h of t is equal to, this is 1 minus 0, which is 1, plus what do we have, minus 1 times e power minus t minus 1, minus 1 times e power minus t, and e power 0 is 1. So h of t is equal to 1, plus I'll take this minus inside. What do we have? Minus e power minus t plus 1. So h of t is equal to 1 minus e power minus t plus 1. So h of t is equal to 1 plus 1 is 2 minus e power minus t. Okay, so this is just, I'm sorry, what did I write? This is s of t, 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 this is s of t. So I apologize for that. This is a step response. Therefore, step response s of t is equal to what? It is equal to e power t for t less than 0, e power t for t less than 0, and it is 2 minus e power minus t for t greater than 0. So we'll take up one more problem. The problem is, impulse response is h of t is equal to e power minus 2 times mod of t. Okay, how does this, if I plot it, how does it looks like? Again, negative side of t, it is exponentially increasing, positive side of t, it is exponentially decreasing. This is what? E power 2t and e power 2t, and what is this? E power minus 2t. Okay, so this is t, this is h of t. Solution. This is how h of t looks like. Now I'll change the independent variable to tau. This is e power plus 2 tau, e power minus 2 tau. Okay, again, two region. One region is for t less than 0, the other region is t greater than 0. Running integral for t less than 0 is from minus infinity till where I keep this t value, and running integral for t greater than 0 is for minus infinity till 0, and from 0 till where I keep this t value. The same way what we solved in the previous problem. So t for t less than 0, s of t is equal to, integrating from minus infinity to t, it is e power 2 tau d tau. Right? Why? Because I need to consider only this part of 0, which is e power 2 tau. Fine. This is tau, this is h of tau. So s of t is equal to e power, what is the integration of e power 2 tau with respect to tau? It is e power 2 tau divided by 2 with integration limit minus infinity to t. Okay, so I will take 1 by 2 out. What do I left with? E power upper limit is 2t minus e power minus 2 times infinity. This is 0, which is equal to e power 2t by 2. So this is for t less than 0 step response. Now for t greater than 0, so I have to consider both side, t less, this side as well as this side. So this side plus this side, but with respect to t here. Okay, this is tau, so e power minus 2 tau, this is e power 2 tau, this is h of tau. Okay, so s of t is equal to, integrating from minus infinity to 0, the signal is e power 2 tau d tau, plus integrating from 0 to where I keep this t value, signal is e power minus 2 tau d tau. So s of t is equal to, integration of e to the power 2 tau with respect to 2 tau is e power 2 tau divided by 2 with the integration limit, plus this is e power minus 2 tau divided by minus 2 with the integration limit 0 to t. So s of t is equal to 1 by 2, I will take it out. So e power 0 is 1 minus e power minus infinity is 0, plus I will take minus 1 by 2 out. E power minus 2t upper limit minus e power 0 is 1. Okay, so this is equal to 1 by 2, plus if I take this minus 1 by 2 inside, it is minus 1 by 2 times e power minus 2t plus 1 by 2. So this is nothing but 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 times e power minus 2t plus 1 by 2. This is equal to 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is 1 minus 1 by 2 times e power minus 2t. So s of t. So this is the step response. Fine. So I have to write it combinedly. So in a combined form, let me write it here. So what do we have? So therefore s of t is equal to it is e power 2t by 2 for t less than 0, and it is 1 minus 1 by 2 e power minus 2t for t greater than 0. This is the step response.